Friday, students from Chillicothe Middle School were treated to a step back in time in Yaktanju Park. It was a glimpse of the Civil War era. Maybe you heard that blast during the midday hours. It was just a history lesson conducted by members of the 40th Ohio Volunteer Unit. We'll have more in a moment.
At Rathkamp Financial, we act as your advocate in all wealth matters. We believe in long-term relationships and working to earn your continued trust with our customized investment solutions. Our greatest satisfaction comes from working with clients for many years and helping them realize their dreams.
Today we're putting on a preservation act of the Civil War for the 8th grade school here in Chillicothe. We treat the history as if it's like a mother and its babe. We hold it very tight. We have pride in what we do. All of us have had family that has died in the Civil War. There's more Americans died in the Civil War than all the wars put together. So we try to teach kids, you want to remember history as you're not doomed to repeat it. So that's why we do what we do. And we spend a lot of our time and a lot of our money preserving the Civil Wars as we do. And then what we do here is where we have everything set out, or where we're at here, we have a 3-inch Ordinance rifle that you'll see here soon. But these are the basic infantryman muskets. And this is, I carry the sidearm of an officer that would carry. And that's pretty much what we got here is what we're putting on here is the infantry. A lot of people love it, but a lot of people, like especially nowadays, they question it and it's not so much as they don't know about it enough. They don't know about it enough. It's what they see on TV and what people tell them is bad about it. They don't know the good things. You know, so a lot of times we come down here and I always make the joke that we teach the ignorance out of them. It's not about, you know, the Confederate flags and all that stuff like that. This is about preservationist of our history. So that's kind of how we do. But everybody seems to like it. The cops like it. Whenever we have the police officers come down, they love it. The students love it. The kids love it. They like the loud noise, the banging. The older generation really loved to see it because, you know, it was just part of their childhood when they saw a lot of it on TV and a lot of the guys doing it. So yeah, we generally get a very good response from everybody when it comes to it.